Welcome to Indonesia, a country rich in natural beauty and culture. 1. First, we have Bali, a tropical paradise with lush green rice paddies and captivating beaches. Next, there's Komodo National Park, home to the Komodo dragon, a giant reptile found nowhere else on Earth. On the island of Java, don't miss Borobudur, the largest Buddhist temple in the world, a breathtaking historical treasure. And finally, Raja Ampat, a diver's paradise with unparalleled underwater riches. So, if you're seeking unforgettable adventures, come and explore the beauty of Indonesia.